In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add FAQs to Facebook Messenger. Start by going to facebook.com and make sure you are already logged into your account. From the left side of the screen, open your Facebook business page. This will take you to the page where you can manage your business tools and settings. Once your business page is open, look at the left navigation menu again and click Meta Business Suite. This is where Facebook gives you access to messaging, automation, and customer communication tools for your page. Inside Meta Business Suite, go to the Inbox section. The inbox is where you can manage incoming messages from customers across your connected channels. At the top of the inbox page, click Automations. This will open the area where you can set up automatic replies and message workflows for Messenger. On the Automation Templates page, scroll or look through the available options until you find Questions and Responses. You will see this under the Share Information section. Click Questions and Responses to open that automation. When the Settings page opens, check whether the automation is currently enabled. If it is turned off, turn on the status toggle to activate it. This allows your page to start using the FAQ feature in Messenger. Next, go to the Frequently Asked Questions section and click Add Question. In the question field, type the question that you want customers to see and select in Messenger. Make sure the question is short and easy to understand. After entering the question, move to the Reply field and type the automatic response that Facebook Messenger should send when someone taps that question. Write a clear answer that gives the customer the information they need right away. If you want to create more FAQs, repeat the same process. Add another question, then enter the matching automatic response. You can continue building out your list based on the most common things customers ask about your business, such as hours, location, services, shipping, or pricing. Once you have added all of your questions and responses, click Save Changes. This will apply the FAQ automation to your Messenger setup. Your customers will then be able to see those preset questions and get instant replies when they contact your page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.